Dynamic fields are important because it offers us the ability to limit the number of questions that are being presented to the provider. I want to give you some examples of how that works. Basically, some questions only need to be asked depending on the answers first provided. For example, complications occurred. If you say that no complication occurred, well, then that's the end of the question. However, if you say yes, a complication occurred, then I have a new field that just popped up called complications. In this case, what I'm doing is saying, well, if something occurred, I need you to tell me what it was that occurred. And so let's just say we had anaphylaxis. And if you click that and then go back to the form, you'll see, yes, a complication occurred, and in fact, one of the complications was selected. Let me give you another example. Here's patient's body temperature. If the body temperature was 36.2 and it was normal, well, that's the end of the question. However, let's say that patient's body temperature was 35.4. Well, if that's the case, look, I have another question. That question is, well, did you use a warming method? And if I click in here, I can say, yes, I used a bear hugger. And if I go back, then it says one method selected. Hopefully that makes sense. And some questions appear at times, and sometimes they don't, and it's programmed into the application to make sure that we're asking you as few possible questions in order to maintain appropriate PQRS compliance and reporting.